A lot of forex traders don't actually know that it is quite easier to become profitable in the financial market than to even learn how to trade itself. In this video, I will be running you through the 4 basic principles that has helped me in particular to become profitable in the financial market. And these 4 basic principles will surely help you get started in forex trading and help you also to become profitable in no time if you watch this video to the particular end without skipping any part of this video. If you're just watching me for the first time, my name is Godwin Trades. I show up here daily, weekly, and even monthly to document my forex journey on YouTube and to also help you out there who is a forex trader or an aspiring forex trader to become profitable in no time. So you want to stick around to this video and make sure you're watching with your pen and your writing material, so to help you apply this in your forex journey. So let's dive into it. One of the principles that has helped me stay consistently profitable in forex trading is that I focus less on strategy and focus more on psychology. A lot of forex traders focus more on strategy instead of focusing more on psychology. Strategy does not change. There is no strategy that is 100% holy grail in the market. So whether you are a price action trader or you are an SMC trader or you are an ICT trader or whatever strategy it is you're using, no one has an holy grail. Just focus less on strategy. If you have one that is working out for you, it could be price action that you are comfortable with. It could be break and retest. If you are an ICT trader, focus more on that. Don't jump from one strategy to another strategy. That alone has high tendency in keeping you on that struggling trader journey. So you want to just take that is working and refine it, okay? There are no strategy out there that is 100% highly profitable. What can make you profitable is psychology. Let me let you know, support and resistance 10 years ago, 20 years ago is the same support and resistance in this year 2024 or coming year 2025. So break and retest is still the same thing. So there is no strategy that is an holy grail, but psychology needs to be what's built upon. If your psychology is not properly developed, you will struggle so much in the market. I've watched a lot of successful forex traders, both Africa and in diaspora, both Africa and in abroad. None of them talk about strategy. So long as you know how to analyze the chart, so long as you understand when to get in and when to get out, that is enough. Just make sure you build on psychology, and psychology alone is about 70% in the organogram of forex trading. Psychology is 70%, risk management is 20%, and strategy is just 10%. So why focus so much on strategy instead of building your psychology? So much more that you will never get into a trade because of FOMO. So much more that you can always make sure that you are respecting your strategy, you respect your trade setup, and you respect the fact. So psychology is one of the things that has helped me become highly profitable in the financial market. Another principle that has helped me stay consistently profitable is that I master one pair. The ability to master one pair goes so much more than you trying to trade every single pair in the market. There are a lot of currency pairs, there are a lot of instruments in the financial market, but have you built relationship with one? Make sure you are so much familiar that you know how that particular pair moves. That will help you build momentum and it will accelerate your growth in the financial market. As a forex trader, you don't want to act like those who are there before you. Those ones too, they have their own little days of beginnings. So in this your early stage, probably you have been trading for 10 years or 5 years and you are not profitable. It's because you have not built relationship with your peers. You don't know how they close. You don't know how the monthly candle close. You don't know how the weekly, not even the daily, not even the 15-minute candle closed. All you just know is how to buy and sell. All you know is how to plot your key levels. Those are fine, but you want to be able to understand what really moves this pair. At what particular time do I get set up? At what particular time do I enter the trade or exit? What are my pinpoints to exiting a trade? You want to learn how to swing that particular pair. You want to learn how to day trade it. You also want to learn how to scalp it. You will so much grow in your journey because you've understand that particular pair to some extent. So after you have built capacity, you can now extend your tentacle to like getting additional pair or two more. That is how you grow as a forex trader. It is very hazardous to your growth to want to learn to trade 5 different pairs at the same time. Trust me, you will delay your journey in forex trading. And by the time I was able to realize this early enough, I became profitable. You would notice that being profitable is so much easy in the financial market only if you have this set of rules you are following. Every successful forex trader have a guiding principles that they are following. They don't approach the market the way random traders approach the market. Did you get that? They don't approach the market because the candle is moving. They know when to get in. They know the particular day they should not trade because they understand the pair enough. So how about you? What are those things that you're doing? You don't even have data. Most profitable traders have data. They know the number of trades they took last week. They know the number of trades they took last month. Do you have those data? No. And you want to become profitable. You can see in this video, I will not talk about strategy. I don't talk about structures. I'm talking about your mindset, the way you see the market, the way you prepare yourself to come into the chart. It's so much more important than strategy, so much more important than support nor resistance. So focus on one pair and build capacity with that pair. In no time, you become profitable in the financial market. The number 3 principle that has helped me become profitable in financial market is because I focus on myself. I've learned to focus on myself. You see, when I was starting out, I have about 2 mentors that I will register to get trained with them so as to shorten my learning curve. Number 2, I don't trust myself enough to take a particular trade or setup, and that delayed my journey. A lot of forex traders they only seek validation. They don't believe in their trade setup. They want, if this particular person I'm following have not said buy, that means what I'm seeing as a buy is not validated. And that alone make me struggle to become profitable in the financial market. Learn not to look at what another trader is doing. Even if that person is your mentor, learn to take responsibility for your own success and failure. That is how you grow. When you focus deeply on yourself, then you can keep track record of how you are growing. That is how you can know that, yes, I think I'm growing in this aspect. I think I need to develop my skill in this other aspect. When you wait for trade signals before you take trade, that is not growth. These are the factors that delayed my growth in becoming successful. Sometimes I will even analyze the chart. Just for me to take a trade, I will need to go into my own mentor's Telegram channel to check if they are seeing what I'm saying, if what I'm saying corresponded with theirs. That delayed my journey until I had to do away with those attitudes. Until I had to do away with those attitudes before I became profitable. I stopped looking at Telegram channel. In fact, I deleted all my Telegram channel that I used to follow. Then I started taking responsibility for my action. When I was following them, I was not seeing growth. So let me even be on my own and take responsibility. Let me even blow those accounts. Let me know that, yes, I blow those accounts because of my own action. Then I grew this account because of my own action. Then trust me, just 1 month of taking responsibility of my own action, I saw drastic change. I saw improvement. I started taking note of my progress. That was how I became profitable In less than 2 months, after close to 3 years of struggle in the market, I started growing an account from $10 to like $100. That is what has made me become successful in the financial market. So if you want to become successful, focus on yourself. Don't seek validation. Don't wait for somebody's trade signals to come before you take trade. Be responsible and make sure you have trading journal. The last but not the least principle that I follow that has made me a successful trader is risk management. As a forex trader, the money you have as a forex trader, if you know how to preserve your risk, you will stay so long in the financial market. If only you know that the market owes you nothing, you will be able to stay long in the market. If only you know that the market can turn to become anything, that anything can happen in the trade, in the market, you will become successful in no time. If you are able to calculate your risk before you get into a particular trade, you will become successful in no time. Some traders don't even know how to calculate their lot size. They don't even know. They just enter a trade with irregular lot size, not even knowing. They don't have a, not that they have a designated or a standard stop loss. They don't even set stop loss. Now, the fact that you set stop loss does not mean that you've accepted that loss. Some traders have found in moving their losses, their stop loss, whenever they set a stop loss on a particular trade, they are fond of removing their stop loss and shifting it a bit. That is not how to become a forex trader, successful at that matter. So you want to be able to take responsibility. If I'm risking $20, $50 or $100 on a particular trade, let your focus be it's either it hits my Excel or it hits my TP. That alone have the capacity to improve your financial trading. Learn to set your TP, learn to set your stop loss, and let the market have its way. Forget about it. Don't be emotionally attached to your trade. If you follow this principle, in no time you'll become successful in the financial market. Learn to respect your strategy. Don't look at somebody's, don't seek validation before you take trade. Make sure you focus on one instrument or one pair. Master it so much more that you understand it well enough. If you watch this video this far enough, I want to say congratulations to you. Make sure you give me a like and let me have your opinion in the comment section. I like to interact with you. And if there's any topic or whatever it is you want me to say or do a video about, make sure to put it in the comment section below. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless you.